Look at that. Now that's just a template that can turn you into a sketchy in less than 5 seconds. Now give me 10 more seconds and I'll show you how to do it. Just after opening, navigate to Creator Hub. Under the Home tab, choose the AI category. And right here you can choose this template and then use it. Now give me last 15 seconds to let you know that you can actually get some rewards and achievements from Filmora. Just for previewing these AI templates, browse and choose the one you love. Like it, favorite it, and tap Use It to win your Template Pioneer badge plus 200 points right now.